Hello and welcome back to episode 12 of the Idiot Trading Challenge. We're now in the middle of week 3, nearing the end. If you're enjoying these videos and you'd like us to continue, then please do it right now. In fact, like this video, and then when you've done that, head across and click subscribe. Brilliant, we know you're enjoying these videos now. So on to today's episode. We hope you're enjoying. I think Tom's going to go big. I think he's going to go one or two.
He's going to split up. He's not gonna spend everything straight away.
He loves his entertainment. He loves Disney. He loves Cineworld.
Facebook or Twitter, something like that as well, for the social media side of him.
Hello and welcome back to the Idiot Trading Challenge week 3. This is an update from me on Wednesday afternoon at about 3:15. There's one little update I need to let you know about, and then there is just an overview of the account at the moment, really. So I've invested in Gamma Communications. If you've been following this, you'll know there's somebody I've been watching for some time. I did have a very low price on them at about 1,245, I think, for the price alert. But I got in at 1,265, and that was basically, I redid some analysis and I thought that was like the bottom. They kept hitting was about 126 to 170. So they're currently sat at 1,259, so down 0.4%, but nothing to be too concerned about at the moment. So we'll keep an eye on them and see how they go, but I think they might jump up. Barclays have got 1,310, I think, as their prediction for them for the year, so hopefully they'll start moving that way sometime soon. We've got Diageo still in the portfolio, down 1.46%. Again, the ones I'm not, they've done me over, but that was because when I invested in them, and that's my own fault. Twitter, as we saw, was down quite a lot, I think, last time I updated you. Still down, but only down 5.6%. So they're on their way back up, which is a good sign for me, and it's reducing my losses on it, which means my account value is actually going up. So I'm quite happy about that. And then we've got Cranswick, who are just edging in again, have been all the way through, in and out of profit. They're at 1.84% at the moment, so that's pretty good for them. Amazon, as I'm speaking, are just hitting all-time highs again, and they're up 10.6%. So I'm going to see where that goes. Might put a little bit more in them, not sure. And then finally, there's a National Grid, which are up 9%, but we've both got that, so it doesn't really make a difference. I continue to watch PayPal, Intuit, and Boohoo. So that's just a very quick update from me, middle of the week, and I'll keep you up to date if there's any other changes.
Okay, so this is the end of the week, really. There's been a few changes. I can't remember fully what has and hasn't changed on this. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to quickly show you guys. We've got Google, which is doing very well. I should have put more money into that. Amazon, again, doing well. I know there's only a small amount in there. I might try and tidy this up a bit next week, kind of getting rid of some of the smaller shares and just putting a bit more money into a few things. But we'll see. We'll see how the chat with Matt on Sunday goes. See what happens from there. But yeah, basically, what have we got? We got Aston Martin as well. That one is just really kicking my ass at the minute. I don't know why. I don't know what's happening. I don't know why it won't go back up, but hopefully it will. We'll see. Well, yeah, if it stays down, it stays down. Then we'll just have to write that one off. Luckily, it's not too much in it, so I think that was another stupid decision from way back. But yeah, we'll see. Babcock sold half of them to kind of dig us out of that hole. I should have probably put a bit more into Wirecard, but it was a bit risky. Budget, that's down as well, which it might go up. Yeah, hopefully we get this nice big rise that was like here. Hopefully we get that. National Grid, that's the one that me and Matt both have. Next is so up and down. It's ridiculous. It's all over the place. So yeah, we'll just see on that one as well. Royal Bank of Scotland and Walt Disney. Yeah, that's all. So we've come pretty much to the end of week 3. It's been good. I managed to get it back up to about £196, something like that. Hopefully that's enough. It's just shy of £20 increase. Hopefully that's enough to really beat Matt this week. It's just that percentage increase that we're going on, not the total figure. Yeah, I know as you guys are watching this, there's probably going to be another clip somewhere along in here that is of Matt talking about what he's at the end of the week, maybe. So you guys will probably know going into this, if you can be bothered to do any math, who has won. But you can always wait till Sunday and kind of watch it along with us, and like figure out who it is and what goes from there. Because it could go either way. I am hoping that I've won, because I don't want to lose again. But we'll see. I'm hoping. Hopefully he has dropped. That's my big thing going into this, because the way we can win this challenge is they're not going to be on percentage, it's going to be on our total account value. Now, mine's already down below what we originally invested. If we can get that back over there, then at least I've not lost any money, so that's not too bad. But for our first challenge, I have to win it. There's no way I can let him win this, but we'll have to, yeah, we'll see how the rest of this goes. There'll be that episode up on Sunday where you guys can see us figure out who has won for this week, and then we'll get straight into week 4. I'm kind of thinking now of what I can do next week. If I've beat him and he's dropped down a bit, then we'll probably leave it very similar sort of with what we've got. We might not change too many things around. If not, we might have to have a big look at what we can do. I've been thinking about this. I don't know if I am down and I do need to make a bit of money up. I don't know if I just sell everything and just bung it all into Google and just hopefully have another amazing week. It would have been good to get on that Tesla rise, but we'll see. We'll see what starts happening on Monday, especially with it have been 4th of July, so the stock market was closed on Friday in America. We'll just have to see what goes off the back of that.
Hello and welcome to my Friday update for the Idiot Trading Challenge. As you can see, my portfolio is looking a little bit different to how it did when I left you on Wednesday. But before I scroll down and show you what's happened there, let's head over to my orders page and I'll walk you through it. So as you can see at the top here, the last order I placed was for buying Gamma Communications at £12.65, and I bought 1 share in them. As I spoke about on Wednesday's thing, I wasn't sure about this as the best price. I did really want a little bit lower, but I was happy with it. Next thing that happened in my account was sold Gamma Communications at £13.25, so 60p up. I'm happy with that return. However, it's since risen to £14.55. So I could have maybe made a little bit more on that, but if that 60p wins me this week, I'm more than happy with that. So that was everything for Wednesday, and then we move on to yesterday, Thursday, where I made some more moves. Sold my remaining Amazon shares for £21.31. These were at a price of 2927, and then now at 2891. So I sold at a very good time, almost the highest. So I'm very happy with that. And if we keep scrolling up, we changed some of the orders on Cranswick. One was rejected, but that's because the day had come to an end. So we changed some of the orders. And then on this morning, something else was sold. Cranswick, £37.30. And then later today, sold at £37.50. There's been a lot of selling, not much buying. So let's head over to my portfolio. I'll show you what it looks like. So as you can see here, my remaining investments are in Diageo, who continue to frustrate me at the level that they're at. But we'll keep an eye on these as the challenge progresses into next week. National Grid, very poor, although that's the same for both of us. Back down at 2%, it was up 9% when we first got in on it. And then Twitter, still down 6.24%, which is frustrating. Some of this was tactical in terms of the forfeit this week is Tom can make us sell a share. So he's only got 2 to choose from at the moment if I lose. However, I was also very conscious of securing profit. As you can see at the top, my portfolio now sits at £216, up quite a bit from last week. So I'm very happy with that. Hopefully Tom hasn't seen as much of an increase. Hopefully he's started to work his way back up to the amount we invested in at the beginning. But yeah, hopefully that's enough to seal the win for me this week. Just quickly, still watching these guys. Keep an eye on Cranswick, Amazon, Gamma Communications, because I might go back in on them guys if they drop down again. And then we've got PayPal and Intuit and Boohoo. Boohoo getting closer to the price alert that I want, so they might be someone I invest in. But I'm only going to start investing after the results on Sunday. So yeah, let's see where that takes us. Hopefully we can bag another win and force Tom to sell another share. Thanks for watching another episode of the Idiot Trading Challenge. If you've enjoyed this, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you could share it with a friend, that'd be absolutely amazing. If you want to help me out in this challenge, you can sign up to Trading 212 platform via the link in our description. If you do that, we'll both receive a share free of charge worth up to £100. Obviously, make sure to check out the T's and C's before you do that. But until next time, thanks for watching.